Wow, it's finally here. I've been waiting to open this ever since I joined the Glow Together campaign.
Hi, I'm Naeem from Medit. I'm here with Glow Together. So let's walk through your kit. Thanks to you, children have received much needed dental care. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, Naeem, let's start with this little thank you card. There's a QR code here too.
Scan the QR code to access our mentor-led Insight series. Practical insights from global experts on digital dentistry and clinical growth. Let's take out the carrying case.
Is this the carrying case? It's lighter and smaller than I expected.
Made to be lighter, compact, and easy to carry.
Oh, it's a very cute mini lamp.
A small symbol of the light you help share beyond your clinic.
This bracelet is so beautiful. What does it mean?
It's a reminder of the impact we've made together through Glow Together.
I think this is my first time seeing a scanner protection case in the dentistry field. It's such a fresh approach. I should try putting it on right away.
Inspired by traditional Korean Najeon Chulgi, the crane symbolizes longevity and our enduring commitment to grow together.
I've never seen a scanner case like this. And it fits perfectly.
For i900 and i900 Classic, you'll find a Naeem figure in place of the protective case.
All set. I can take my scanner anywhere just like this.
Thank you for being part of this journey. We look forward to what we'll build together next. Visit our website to learn more.